how to update your text and images on your new site. So right now you should be in your dashboard. So on the left is where you'll access all of the different pages. So we're going to go into pages and we're going to click edit. And here is where we will update our all of the text that you see and all of the images that you see. So, rule of thumb, whenever you're trying to edit something, you just hover over it and look for this edit symbol. And it even lets you know what you're editing. So you're editing the image, or are you editing the text? And when you edit the text, you can just edit it directly. So say, let your inner voice guide you. You are what you've been looking for. Okay, so then that would be that. And then maybe we want to update that image. So we would delete it and we would add a new image. Quickly make sure that you are labeling your pictures. This is just another way for Google to find you. So it's also good for people who have hearing disabilities. They use different software to let them know what they're looking at. So it's always nice to give your pictures a name. So that's going to load slowly, it seems like. I'm just going to go ahead and cancel that for the sake of saving time. But that is how you update your images and your text. The same goes for any body text as well. So as you can see here, so you're in edit. When you're in edit mode, you would click edit. And then you can just go ahead and edit the text there. You can make that bigger, you can make it smaller. And yeah, just double click if you want to edit text. If you want to edit the button text, you would just double click it. And so on and so forth. That is how you edit text and images. And that's it.